The Water Series from Sound Ideas gives you 380 ambience length sound effects of natural water sources. The sound effects include waterfalls from small to large, geysers, babbling brooks, river rapids, lakes, oceans, and water wheels. The sound effects in the Water Series were digitally recorded at 2496K and are also available to purchase as 1644.1, 1648, or 2448K WAV files by download. The Water Series, only from Sound Ideas.